What's up, guys, and good morning. It is Monday morning here in Angeles City, Philippines. Nice beautiful day, nice breeze, not too hot. Peso rate right now is 54.70, guys. It is dropping 54.70. Anything above 50 is still a good day. If you've been noticing, I have been putting up shorts. Shorts is what basically they're telling you to put up. So guys, I know there's people that don't like it, don't like the format. It's not for you, I understand that. But it also, what it's doing, it's pushing Philly in the Philippines channel out there for different viewers, if you understand what I'm saying. So I understand, it's not for everybody. But take the time and check them out. Yeah, the most they're gonna be is 1 minute, 60 seconds. 15 seconds is also, so they're not very long. Just do me a favor, take the time to at least look at them. Anyways, today I'm going to talk about one of the things I have noticed here with my subscribers and a lot of people I talk to. Those that are coming here, staying here, visiting here, they tend to stay within this immediate area. What do I mean, this immediate area? Let me show you here. Up that way you have the ABC Hotel. All right, from there kind of down this way, down Fields Avenue, all the way down to Walking Street area. All right, also to the left here going down, you will have also what do they call that? I can't even think of it. Hey, good morning.
I give
thank you. Thank you, Ati. Salamat, Ati. Thank you. Okay, all right. Thank you, Ati.
Thank you for that.
All right.
Love God, love other people.
All right, thank you. Hey, down to the left you have Candy Towers and down that way. And then, like I said, up Fields Avenue, down through that way, back in behind Walking Street. I noticed that, I would say, and I've talked to my subscribers and people and, you know, asked them, hey, where are you staying? 95% will say up in this area. Why? Because it's walking distance to everything. Some people don't want to rent scooters. They're afraid to drive here. So they want to be within walking distance. They want to get up in the morning, go eat breakfast, go back to their hotel, maybe sleep, hang out in a pool. They all hang out in this area. So me, I'm a breakfast guy, right? The people are always like, well, where is there to eat breakfast and things like that? I'm just gonna walk. I'm gonna walk and show you. I'm gonna start up here across from the main gate, Friendship Terminal, where the money changers are here, and walk down and show you places that I recommend that I've eaten at. But like I said, down that way, you do have Angel's Bakery down on to the left. That's walking distance. If you're staying up off of Walking Street, on Fields Avenue, Angel's Bakery down on the left, eating in there many times, very good. Then you have the ABC Hotel. I've never eaten in there. I know they have a restaurant. And you also have down the road at Candy Towers. I've eaten at Candy Towers. You do not have to stay in Candy Towers to eat at Candy Towers in the restaurants. ZRV is down there. Really good place to eat. Like I said, all walking distance. But let's kind of walk down this way. And good morning. All these fruits and stuff, like, you don't have to buy. If you want fruits, you don't have to buy a whole cluster. They'll sell you one banana, they'll sell you one mango or apple or orange. You don't have to buy it by the kilo. They will sell it per piece. Because I know people like fruits, and those fruits are good. They're not old. They're fresh. I bought from there before. Then you come up here. Let me kind of shoot across the street here without getting hit. All right, here we go. That way I can give you kind of a perspective of the area. Now, some of these hotels might have restaurants in them. 950 Condo, they might have restaurants in them. I don't know. I've never gone in there and eaten in there. But they do have them. But here's another one. Your margarita station on here on the right. Good food, American food, English food, breakfast. I've eaten breakfast in there. Good food, reasonably priced. Here's what's nice about Margarita Station. You got the front area right there called the chicken wire. You can sit there. Hey, all right. Hey, what's up? You can sit there on the chicken wire, enjoy your meal, enjoy your breakfast, and watch the Philippines and Angeles City roll by. A lot of people do that. They just hang out. What's up, guys? Shout out. All right. They'll sit there, they'll drink, have breakfast, coffee, and just sit there and watch, just people watch. One thing there, if you are sitting there are going to people that will come up. They will pester you, ask you to buy things, Viagra, Cialis. Some of the girls will come up, pester you, talk to you. If you choose to entertain them and talk to them, that's on you. Like I always said, just kind of ignore people, tell them no, and for the most part they will just kind of walk away. They do have a guard there. I don't know if he runs people off that want to hang out and, you know, solicit the customers there. I don't know if he runs them off or not, but once again, great place to sit and just watch, people watch, and good food. And then you have Mick Cafe here on the corner. Never was in there, couldn't tell you anything about it. Seems to be fairly popular, but can't give you an honest opinion about it because I've never went in. It's a cafe. To me, it's a cafe. That's coffee. They could have a breakfast in there. Never ate in there. To the left here, all these stores through here, none of them sell any type of food, breakfast, anything like that. Sugarcane. Seen a lot of sugarcane trucks rolling by here in the past couple of days. Natalia Hotel, never ate in there. If they have a restaurant in there, I couldn't tell you. I could not tell you. Like I said, I'm giving you places that I have eaten at, I have had breakfast, and my personal opinion. So I'm going to cut this camera. I'm going to head down the road here, show you some other areas. All right, so I'm going to shoot down this side road here, kind of show you this one other place down here on the left-hand side as I come down here. I've eaten here many a times. Very good also. Give you an idea where we're at. There is Police Station 4 right there, right across the street. Hey, right across the street is the park that was open at one time and closed. Right down there is Walking Street. So we're going to shoot down this street right here. All right, and like I said, this is all walking distance if you are up in this area and staying up in this area. Right here is the Queens Hotel. I like that place. Checked out that hotel in the past, and the rooms are very nice, very affordable. But inside the Queens Hotel is the RBI Steakhouse. Now, it's not strictly steak. They do serve breakfast in there. I enjoy their breakfast in there. They do have specials. They have specials for their breakfast menu, and it's very reasonable. I like it. I enjoy it. I think it's very good. So yeah, RBI Steakhouse in the Queens Hotel. All you gotta do is walk through the lobby, and it's right there on the left-hand side. Another nice thing about in there, you can sit inside. It's air conditioning, or you can go outside and sit out by the pool. And if you're a smoker, you can go right outside there and sit and you know, smoke and enjoy your meal. But one of the things too is a lot of these places here don't have sit-in air-conditioned dining areas like Margarita. That's open air. There's no air conditioning in there, so you got to take into consideration that if you want air conditioning, some of these have it, some of them don't. Well, that's just the way it is here, right? Me, I like sitting outside. I like sitting outside, enjoying a meal, unless of course I'm in the mall. Say I'm in the mall, or then you're in air conditioning. But right up here, then you have Philly's on the right-hand side. Another very popular place, not only for breakfast, but for lunch and dinner. Guys come here, hang out, watch sports. It's open air. You can sit. I'm all right, buddy. You can sit right here on the, you know, the rail and just watch people and people watch. Or you can sit inside. They have multiple TVs. They have breakfast specials. I've had them. They're very good, very reasonably priced. If you're a smoker, right here on the right-hand side, that's all part of that. Part of that down there is for people that are smokers. They can sit there and sit outside. Once again, all open air. But what's nice, it's a great place to sit and just people watch. I'm gonna get across here. Then you have Envy's here on the right, another place that's very popular. Down the street on the left is seating at Envy. Down the left-hand side down there is smoking, so there is smoking. The rest of this is non-smoking, but it's nice. It sits, you know, it sits back in. People watch different games, different sports, things like that. Here at Envy, you're back in. If you're up at Philly's, once again, you have people that are going to just, what they're going to do is they're going to come up, they're going to stand there, they're going to harass you, they're going to try to get you to buy something, they're going to, you know what I'm saying, at Philly's there. And that's one thing I don't like about Philly's is they allow that. They don't run the vendors off. So you're stuck dealing with people always throwing things in your face. Like I said, just say no thank you, and leave it at that. To where Envy, everything sits back in. They're not going to come out. They might stand out there, but they're not going to harass you. Then I came across this cafe. What's it called? Let me show you. Right next to Envy, right there. All right, that place there. I was in there before I started. I went in there real quick, and I asked to see their menu to get prices, right? Like I said, I'm a breakfast guy, so I checked the breakfast menu out. The most expensive breakfast in there is 360 pesos, all right? But from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m., they have a 20% off of all their breakfasts. And I did clear that with the person there. Make sure it wasn't just one meal. Their breakfast from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. is 20% off. The most expensive is 360. They ran around 300 pesos for the breakfast. So to me, that's a good deal. That to me is a good deal. Also out front, right there in the front, those two areas there, right as you walk in, that is smoking. So you can sit in there and you can smoke in there. Right up there, you can people watch. Great place to people watch. Everybody's about people watching, right? Everybody comes here, they hang out here, and it's all about people watching. Everybody enjoys that. So, look, let me get around these people. Then we hit Walking Street here. A few places. There is places to eat. When I mean eat, like breakfast-wise. So we'll. There's the guys, Adrian, Chubbs. There are a few places here to eat breakfast, so I'm going to show you. Of course, one is Kokomo's down here. Kokomo's is probably the very well known place to eat breakfast here. A lot of people do come out, hang out there. They do have a place as far as hotel. There's hotel there, so you're right here, right in the action. Another thing though, Kokomo's, you do have the people that do walk by, the vendors and all them people that are looking to sell you something. Kokomo's management does not run those vendors off in front of you. They're just there. But Kokomo's, great place, day or night, great place for breakfast. What's up, my man? All right. Then of course, let me see, we're going to shoot down here. But you do have these places down here. Hey, all right. like I said, most people I've talked to that have come here, I'm saying 95% of my subscribers and people that do come here, a lot of them stay back in this area. A lot of them between Pacific Breeze. What else is back in here? Central Park, Scorebirds, Wild Orchid down here, Orchid into the... There are so many people that I spoke to. This is where they stay. Hey, what's up, buddy? This is the area they stay. It's all walking distance to everything, and that's what they want. They want that convenience. Of course, you got Tequila Reef, which is my place that I enjoy. But yeah, convenience. I've talked to subscribers that have been coming here for years. Hey, where do you stay? I stay right here. Have you ever, you know, wanted to go out anywhere different, check anything else out? Nope. I'm like, why? Yeah. You know what they tell me? If I can't walk to it, I don't need to get there. All right, makes sense. See, that's the thinking of a lot of people. There are nice hotels. Let me get away. Let me get across the street here. Let me get over here. There are nice hotels down Fields Avenue, back that way, Koreatown, all that. There are lots of nice hotels down there. Convenience. People want to be able to get up and walk to where they're at. That's people, right? So anyways, we're gonna hit back up on Walking Street, and I'll yeah, there's a couple other places I'm going to show you that where I eat breakfast and where I enjoy breakfast. Good morning.
Morning.
Gossip here on the right. There's another one here. I know they do a breakfast. I have never had breakfast in there. You have breakfast, right? Breakfast?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, here's your breakfast. Here, right?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Yeah. And then you have a breakfast menu. Okay. First time looking. Okay. All right. Thank you. They do breakfast here. Another place to sit. Open air. Great view. What's up, buddy? Look at this guy. Hey, you remind me of Jack Sparrow. Filipino Jack Sparrow. You know who that is, right? Yeah. All right, my man. Hello, Ate. Oh, so beautiful. Yeah, that's funny. Jack Sparrow. I've seen him before walking around.
Boss.
Hey, good morning.
Endangered species.
Endangered species?
Yeah.
What kind of endangered species? Let me see. I don't know if Walk Around has a menu. I don't really see anybody out there eating. Right here on this right, on the left, hotel, free breakfast. Well, it's not a free breakfast. However, a lot of Filipinos will eat there. Another one here is this Korean restaurant. A lot of Filipinos eat breakfast in there. It's Filipino style food. But you'll see bikes parked out through here, all eating in there. Matter of fact, Lut went in there and she ate breakfast in there. And she said it was reasonably priced, but it was Filipino food. So if you're into that Filipino food, there it is. And of course you have the Paradise here on the right hand side. Another great place. They do have the special for 99 pesos. I showed that, did a video of that, but they have a very good breakfast in here. Once again, open air. You will have vendors come by trying to get you to buy things, but they do have smoking right up through there, so you can sit there, and their Wi-Fi is good. Just another good place to kind of hang out, sit, and people watch. But like I said, this is all walking distance from down here MacArthur all the way up to, say, where Angel's Bakery is, ABC Hotel. 15 minutes at the most to walk there. All walking distance. But you can, I mean, you can eat wherever you want. It's up to you. And then if all else fails, guys, you got the old Mickey D's down here, right at the end of Walking Street. Look at it, there's another cane truck. Like I said, I've seen many of them these past couple weeks. Right here is your Mickey D's, McDonald's. You can always go in there, grab breakfast, grab lunch, grab dinner. Drive-thru is open 24 hours, it said. I don't know if the McDonald's itself is open 24 hours inside, but the drive-thru is. Couldn't tell you, I haven't been up there very, 2 in the morning. But there it is. There's my suggestions on where I think is good, for breakfast. Once again, remember, my taste buds are different than your taste buds. I don't like mushrooms. You might like mushrooms. I might like one thing, and you know what I'm saying. So I'm giving you my opinion on where I think is good for breakfast. So anyways, let the comments down below. If you've been here, let me know what you think. And with that, we will talk to you later.